Very good evening to everyone. My name is Kulbir and here I'm back with another video. So you can go and you can visit my channel and you can watch all videos if you are fascinated to improve your communication skill, because I'm also nowadays into improving and uh, into like English proficiency. I'm on journey, though I'm not consistent because of some responsibilities. I couldn't get that much time. Actually, actually, I just want to practice. So because of this, I'm on YouTube channel. Okay, so what I believe, if you don't have time, if you feel you are busy, swamped with everything, with responsibilities, lot of responsibilities, then no need to take pressure. Just 1% you need to put efforts, you need to improve every day. So that 1% could be anything, single word, two words, three words, and reading and writing and listening English. That's it. Okay, so today I want to discuss two new words. I came across two new words, buzzy and boozy. B U Budgie. Buzzy. Buzzie. Buzzy. Okay, buzzy means a small pet parrot. Small pet parrot. You can say small parrot. Example sentences are: my Buzzy loves to sing every morning. My Buzzy loves to sing every morning. She bought a blue Buzzy from the pet shop. She bought a blue Buzzy from pet shop from the pet shop. My Buzzy is sitting on my shoulder. My Buzzy is sitting on my shoulder. Okay. So next word is boozy. Boozy. Bougie. Bougie. Boozy. How we can pronounce boozy? You can check pronunciation also. Maybe I'm wrong. I can wrong. But we call it boozy. Boozy. Okay, so boozy means expansive looking, something which looks expansive. Okay, so let's make sentences. Her outfit looks boozy or expansive. Her outfit looks boozy, or you can say expansive. He drives a boozy car. He drives a boozy car. Next is they went they went to a boozy restaurant for the dinner. She went to busy restaurant for the dinner. Okay, so that's how two words were new for me. That's why I thought, okay, let's discuss so that I can grab easily, I can use it easily. So if you want to improve communication skills, so the personal suggestion is, we all are busy with a lot of responsibilities, but if you want to improve, if you are eager to learn, so just 1% every day. Okay, so hope this video is helpful for you. So if you feel helpful, video is helpful for you, so just stay connected and keep learning